The home swathed-in carpets needs more than just a weekly run-through with a vacuum cleaner. At least once a season, you should be giving your home the deep clean it needs by using a carpet cleaner to get out embedded dirt, fresh messes, and old spots that can be remedied with a stain remover. There are many products available to choose the best carpet cleaner for you, each with different characteristics. To help you make informed and perfect decisions, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best carpet cleaner for you from reputable brands. After much research, I found these very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Bissell ProHeat 2X Revolution Max Clean Pet Pro Carpet Cleaner. It might not be the lightest or sleekest carpet cleaner, but the Hoover Power Scrub Deluxe Carpet Cleaner machine is more than equipped for any carpet cleaning task. Its internal spin scrub brush system helps ensure constant brush contact with the rug, coupled with extremely powerful suction for the deepest wash possible. Reviewers even say that it's pretty fun to clean with. According to one person, it's like a toy to me, easy to use and noticeable results. It does a great job of removing dirt spots. Some stains are so deep that it can't get out, Sharpie, etc., but for old, nasty carpet, it does wonders. This product comes with an 8-foot hose and 3 different crevice cleaning tools to spot clean your sofas, car seats, and stairs. We only wish that this upright carpet cleaner had built-in storage for the hose and tools, though it does come with a mesh bag for storing these attachments. Number 2. Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner is a small 17-inch wide go-anywhere device. It makes it easy to shampoo and remove stains from carpeted stairs, car seat upholstery, and fabric couches. It's a good product to get if your home does not have wall-to-wall carpeting, as its cleaning nozzle is a small, handheld device, and the machine doesn't have wheels. When our tester Katie Pittman tried out the Bissell Little Green Portable Carpet Cleaner in her home, she loved its quiet operation and lightweight build, along with how simple it was to pick up and use. Plug the machine in, turn it on, and do your thing. I didn't feel like I had to go hunting for instructions, and the tanks have fill lines on both sides, so there's no guessing when you need to fill up the clean side or empty the dirty side, she says. This carpet cleaner's one drawback is that its nozzle is tough to clean without any included tools, so debris can potentially get stuck and affect the device's performance. But as far as its effectiveness goes, Pittman says, the Little Green tackled each stain and smear with ease. Number 3. Bissell SpotBot Pet Portable Carpet Cleaner. Accidents happen. Luckily, the Bissell SpotBot Pet Portable Carpet Cleaner takes care of it in a jiffy. What sets this unit apart from the Little Green is that instead of just using its 5-foot-long suction hose to manually clean, you can simply place the machine's scrubber tool on top of a stain, and it will scrub and suck up the gunk for you. Our editor Brandon Cart, who's a longtime dog owner, has used the Bissell SpotBot for roughly a year to clean up every type of mess you can imagine from his pets. He says, the cleaner has a 3-minute speed cycle that I primarily use to soak up urine. It also has a 6-minute deep clean cycle that I use when dealing with vomit or poop. He does note that the machine is quite loud when it's running on auto mode, and it doesn't suck up the moisture quite as effectively as other models, leaving his carpets pretty damp hours later. Still, he says, speaking as someone who has cleaned up more pet fluids than I can count, I would much rather have the Bissell SpotBot than clean the messes by hand. Number 4. Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner. If your arms are aching just looking at some of these carpet cleaning machines, the Rug Doctor Pet Portable Spot Cleaner is a rolling unit that allows you to more easily pull it from place to place. Just fill its clean water tank with hot water and carpet cleaning solution. Then, use the silicone-tipped brush head to work the soap into the stain. The nozzle then vacuums up the moisture into its dirty water chamber, which you can dump out when you're done. While it's branded toward pet owners and its included solution is formulated to lift pet stains, users say that it effectively lifts years-old food stains, too. Says one reviewer, there was a banana stain that I've been trying to get out for the last 3 years, and nothing worked. 30 seconds with the Rug Doctor, and it's vanished. Number 5. Bissell JetScrub Pet Carpet Cleaner. The Bissell JetScrub Pet Upright Carpet Cleaner offers powerful cleaning abilities in a lightweight package. Its upright design saves you from having to scrub stains on your hands and knees, yet it's easier to move around than the other upright carpet cleaners we tested. The appliance weighs just over 12 pounds, and we liked its narrow form, which features a collapsible handle, making it small enough to tuck into a closet for storage. This upright carpet cleaner from Bissell has a clean water tank on the front and a dirty water collection tank on the back, and it's easy to remove and pour down the drain after your cleaning session. Its dirt lifter brush head has 10 rows of bristles to pull dirt out of your rugs, and in our testing, the JetScrub carpet cleaner was able to remove potting soil, chocolate syrup, red wine, and coffee stains in just 3 passes, earning it a top spot in terms of performance. It's extremely straightforward to operate this carpet cleaner. We appreciate that there are just 3 buttons: Deep Clean, Express Clean, and Clean Shot Pretreater, and the unit is simple to clean thanks to its removable nozzle and brush roll. Our only complaint is that the carpet cleaner doesn't do the best job extracting water out of the rug after cleaning, which means your floor coverings might take a few hours to dry. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier. If you want to know the details of a particular product, please comment. Thanks for staying with Creation Tech.